Videos are the future of a company's digitally changing marketing space. People nowadays spend a lot of time watching videos, so they cannot stand the idea of marketing or sales plans without them. It not only aids conversion but also grows. This is when video editors come into action. With the guidance of the right video editors, you can make videos without outsourcing or any outside help. Not just that, but video content is one of the most effective ways to monitor the company's progress by improved lead conversion. With the support of the best video editing tools, you can easily create videos without incurring unnecessary costs. But what exactly is AI-based video editing tools? What is video editing tool? Any software program capable of editing, altering, creating, or handling a video or movie file is referred to as video editing software. You may use a video editor to delete parts of a video, cut and organize a video to make it work smoother, or even apply filters to make it look better. If you are looking for an AI-based editing tool, Odit by Onpassive is an ideal product for your business. With Odit you can make various logos, GIFs, videos, posters, and many more. Use of AI in video editing. In the video editing industry, AI-based video editing tools are the ultimate future. Currently, AI video editing is supported by a few providers or video creators. AI advantages in video editing differ from company to company. So, let us look at the best AI video editing and making tools that can help your company grow. Best AI video editing and making tools. In this video, we will look at the top 5 AI-based video editing tools in the market right now. Adobe Premiere. Adobe Premiere is one of the best AI video editing apps available, whether you are a pro or a novice. In a matter of minutes, it can turn any unprocessed video clip into a polished video product. It will personalize the video clip by incorporating color and audio as well as fine-tuning other aspects to produce one-of-a-kind cinematic goods. More than just a simple editing kit, this versatile app has a lot to come. Quick Stories. It is one of the most innovative technologies delivered by GoPro, an American technology firm. The product, which was launched in 2017, transfers video footage from a GoPro Hero 5 camera to a user's mobile device and automatically begins editing it without the user pressing a single button via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Magisto. Magisto is an AI-powered end-to-end video marketing platform. The platform's operation is straightforward. Users simply upload content, choose a video editing style and soundtrack, and the AI-powered solution analyses and edits the video. Raw Shorts. This is an online video creation and editing platform that employs artificial intelligence to search script text and automatically compile files. Their text-to-animated animation technology uses artificial intelligence to produce a video draft in a matter of seconds, saving video editors countless hours of work. Lumen 5. The app uses AI to help users build videos in minutes, automating workflow by requiring users to only upload video material and scripts. With the aid of machine learning, which employs natural language processing, NLP, to highlight the most relevant keywords in each sentence. While text placement is determined by the media file structure. GliaCloud. Video editing is no longer a tedious job with GliaCloud. It is a simple AI video creator that allows you to view your content in an attractive video format. By delving into your preferred content, GliaCloud uses AI technologies to generate breathtaking video content automatically. Conclusion. To summarize, artificial intelligence-powered technology is still the future of video editing applications. Since new sophisticated technology is launched every day, the list is neither comprehensive nor definitive. The whole procedure is rendered inefficient and useless because of this. As a result, it is critical to keep researching and innovating market angles to ensure that the form of content that needs to be created is identified and prioritized. This process will be aided by AI-powered automated technologies, which will ensure ease of access while reducing human effort in the design process. Contact us to know more about the editing tool. A Bill Must Production.